Hey y'all, got something pretty cool here from Mossy Oak. Let's check it out. All right, what we got here is Mossy Oak mini folding knife. Check that out. It's got G10 covers, nice texture. You can see right away it's got a bottle opener built into the back spacer, glass breaker, pocket clip that does look like it has multiple positions. Got a 3 CR13 blade, stone washed appearance, 2.5 inches long with about a 2-inch cutting surface, drop point. Got a nice feature here. Use that as a rope cutter, twine cutter, cut zip ties with it. I think it would do pretty well. Great little EDC. Get a good 4-finger grip on it. Choke right up there on the blade. Liner lock. Got a nice pass through. Nice detent. Nice solid detent. Great little knife for your glove box, tackle box. Throw in your backpack. A glass breaker could come in handy in an emergency. Also use that as a seatbelt cutter. Pretty cool little knife, I think. What do y'all think of the Mossy Oak mini folding pocket knife? Love to hear your thoughts. All right, y'all. Come this far, appreciate you hitting the like button. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel. It means a whole lot to me. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day. And remember, y'all, live life on the edge. Stay sharp. Bye now.